Welcome back. Today we are going to season our Blackstone Griddle. Now the first step here is something you will never want to do once you get your Blackstone seasoned, and that's to use soap and water to completely clean all of the chemicals that this thing was made with, as well as it was transported with. So get yourself some soap and water and scrub like the dickens. Alright, once this is completely wiped down and dry from the soaping incident that we just talked about, you want to start your Blackstone Griddle. This took me a couple of tries on the very first attempt to start it, so don't get discouraged. Keep at it. You want to hold in the ignition button for about 5 seconds and then slowly turn to the left to ignite the burners. Now this next step here is very specific with what the Blackstone people want you to use. However, I was not prepared to spend money on proprietary product that I didn't need. Even the instructions themselves say you can use, as it says right here, any plant-based cooking oil. Rendered animal fat with no additives. Oh, and in the bold, Blackstone seasoning and cast iron conditioner. So yes, you can buy their product and use it, but you can use any plant-based cooking oil. I had avocado oil in my pantry, so that is what we're using today. And now, once you get your plant-based cooking oil in a cup, get ready to spread this and paint on the oil like with your best Bob Ross impersonation. I will add that right now the burner is on, so whenever you're applying it, the burner's on. Apply it, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then put on more cooking oil, cast iron conditioner, or any animal fat with no additives. Now this is going to take a while, so get yourself a nice cold beverage. I believe I had a glass of white wine while I was doing this, and it was a very hot day, so that can be a little dangerous when you're drinking white wine because it goes really fast on a hot day. That's what I had available for me, so that's what we did. And now I've lost the footage of the end result of this seasoning, but you see here the very last footage. The Blackstone Griddle is looking nice. It has a nice coat to it. And this is the first seasoning on it, so we'll be able to cook on it either today or tomorrow. I think I have a cook plan for tomorrow that I can't wait to share with you. As always, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and as always, keep barbecuing America. Cheers.